Hey UTV Boondockers. So in today's episode, StarKnightMT, which is the side-by-side company that makes accessories, has sent CanAm Dan this back window. And all he had was the factory net. And if any of you have a back window or any of you do not and switch to get one, you know it makes a big difference. So today what we're gonna do, we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna show you all the bits and pieces that come with it, how to install it, and then we're gonna do a little review ride a little later to show you how well it works. So stay tuned.
All right, got everything unboxed. Some hook and loop straps, hardware, some trim flex, 2 units here that we're gonna have to put together on the machine, and a little extra trim flex. Let's get through these instructions and figure out how to put this thing together.
All right.
So I currently have a net in here, so we're gonna upgrade to this. I use the net because the rooftop tent used to have a pole that would run through here and I could get it up here. But I'm gonna go with the solid back and let's see what happens. Hopefully it's a huge upgrade for me.
Yeah, you know, I mean, with the factory, this is factory, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you get dust coming in and all that other stuff. This is going to be a game changer.
So off with the removal and in with the new.
All right, let's do it. So our first step is taking this seal that they give you. They give you 2 longer pieces, and you measure it up to this spot, right down to the very edge. We're going to do that on both sides.
All right, so you'll notice there's a curve on this. So your bulb seal goes that way, towards the inside of the cab. And then we're gonna put this trim flex all the way along the bottom of it. All right, we got all the trim flex on, right to this curve here, right to the end, on both ends. So we are ready to put it in the machine.
All right, now one piece I think did both the sides of this too, and then the other, yes. This is all we got left over of the material. So just those 2 pieces. So you should be able to get both on there. The next thing, because of how tight this fits in the roof, just tighten these up till they seat, which will allow them still to slide side to side, but you're going to want to tighten up first real quick before you install it.
They will be a rattle trap going down the trail if not.
No, he's got enough rattles. Nobody needs that.
No.
So when you slide these in, make sure you put it in from behind and the Velcro is facing away from you. And then that way, you'll come up through and snap it around. That'll save you a couple seconds. All right, the next step, when you once you get the bottom in, loosely tighten it up. And then the top, we're gonna have to slide it up and under the lip here. So we're gonna do that off camera because it's kind of hard filming too. All right, so here's the finished product. Looks good. We still have to tighten these up. The fit and finish is pretty good. I think once we tighten this up, we'll seal up this gap here. We just need to adjust this because it's really loose.
Hey, I want to give you a quick review. We've got this in the machine. The fit is extremely tight. It fits right into the extruded roll bar, which is amazing. Pretty shocked for the price that's listed online. I was thinking pretty thin, pretty cheap plastic. This is not. This thing is super thick and super robust. Very, very impressed. One suggestion is on these attachments here, they don't have any washers and any little rubber grommets behind them, or rubber washers behind them. That would really help. I don't think that's a great idea to be clamping directly against like that. It serve us well to have a washer and possibly a rubber grommet behind each side of that. So this unit does have 2 venting systems on it, which are going to be great, so I can adjust how much back pressure I want in the cab. Today we're going to run with completely closed, run up and down the road a couple times, and I'm going to open them up and see what the differences is, especially compared to the net that I had here before. Hey, I thought I'd do a real quick video so you can see the windows in both of those are open. The back pressure in here is quite a bit lower. Hopefully I'm talking over the machine noise, but pretty awesome. Very, very happy. All right, guys, after a bunch of road tests up and down the road trying to see which one I liked the best, I kind of figured out that I like both vents open. That's about as close to the netting as I could get. A lot less dust, which is awesome, and not a whole lot of heat in here. So I think it's going to be super positive. I will say that is very non-scientific. It's just me running up and down the road trying to figure out which one in what setting I like. But I think I found a great combination, so I hope this helps. Hey, I want to thank StarKnightMT for this opportunity to be able to review this. If you don't know anything about them, go to their page. There's an all about me, but it's really interesting. They actually started this at a SEMA show, which is near and dear to my heart. Loved being there. Just to make a great product at a much less cost. So far, I'm going to say they won. Absolutely amazing. Hey, and also we're going to have the product link in the description. Make sure you go down there, go check out their website. They've got a ton of products, not only just for the Commander X3, a bunch of different brands. So make sure you go look them up, give them a shout. Hey, if you like this review and this video, please like and subscribe down there. We've got plenty more product reviews and hopefully a lot more ride reviews, because we're actually on site right now doing another ride review in northern Michigan. So look forward to that very soon.